I hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with chapter number 12 of GK, and the name of the chapter is Modes of Transport. तो हमें पता है हमें अपने काम करने के लिए we need to travel from one place to another, and for that traveling we can use different kinds of different modes of transports, right? So in this chapter we all are going to study about different modes of transport, right? So शुरू करते हैं. We use transport to go to different places. तो हम लोग ट्रांसपोर्ट्स का यूज करते हैं ताकि हम अलग अलग जगहों पर जा सके. फॉर शॉर्ट डिस्टेंसेस विद इन सिटी वी कैन यूज. तो सिटी में ट्रैवल करने के लिए, शॉर्ट डिस्टेंसेस पर ट्रैवल करने के लिए हम लोग कौन सा ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज कर सकते हैं? दे आर गिवन हियर एज वी कैन यूज स्कूटर, मोटर बाइक, बस, बाइसिकल और कार. तो हम लोग अगर हमें अपनी ही सिटी में लोकल में ट्रैवल करना है, सो वी कैन यूज दीज काइंड्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. आफ्टर दैट नेक्स्ट वी हैव when we travel long distances from one city to another or to another country, we travel by. तो जब हमें लॉन्ग डिस्टेंसेस कवर करने होते हैं, राइट, वी नीड टू मूव फ्रॉम वन सिटी टू द अनदर सिटी और फ्रॉम वन कंट्री टू द अनदर कंट्री. तो हम लोग कौन कौन से ट्रैवल मोड्स यूज करते हैं? वी कैन यूज ट्रेन, एरोप्लेन, हेलीकॉप्टर एंड शिप. जब हमें दूर का सफर तय करना होता है तो हम लोग ये ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज कर सकते हैं. After that, do we use these means of transport to travel on land? So now they're asking, do we use these means of transport to travel on land, by water or in the air? Write them in the correct box. So क्या हम लोग ये ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज कर सकते हैं to travel on land, water या फिर air पर? So हमें इनमें करेक्ट चूज करना है ऑप्शन, and we need to write among the boxes. So let's begin. As we can see, water transport. So let's find out all the water transports from this, right? So auto rickshaw. Is auto rickshaw water transport? No. Auto rickshaw is considered as the land transport. So let's write auto rickshaw in the land transport. So we have finished with auto rickshaw. After that, next is rocket. So rocket is considered as the air transport. So we'll write it in the air transport. So let's write rocket over here. After that, the next one is boat, as boat is considered as the water transport. So let's write boat over here. Next is the bus. So bus is considered as the land transport. So let's write bus over here. Next we have a yacht. Yacht is considered as the water transport. So let's write yacht over here. Y-A-T-C-H. Yacht. After that, the next one that we have is a train. So train is considered as the land transport. So let's write train over here. N. Train. After that, the next one is a car. So car is considered as the land transport. So again we'll write it in this box. Next we have is a helicopter. So helicopter is an air transport. So let's write helicopter over here. Helicopter. After that, the next one that we have is the aeroplane. So aeroplane is also an air transport. So let's write aeroplane in this column again. After that, the next that we have is the submarine. So submarine is considered as the water transport. So let's write submarine in this box. So that was it for this chapter. I hope you all have learned more about the modes of transport. So I hope you all have learned more about the modes of transport. So that was all for this chapter. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.